but it hurts so bad I can't take it any longer. I wanna grow old with you. I wanna die lying in your arms. I wanna grow old with you. I wanna be looking in your eyes. I wanna be there for you, sharing in everything you do. I wanna grow old with you. Things can come and go, I know, but baby, I believe. Make it clear to me, I wanna go on with you. I wanna die lying in your arms. I wanna go home with you. I wanna be looking in your eyes. I wanna be there for you, sharing in everything you do. I wanna go home with you. Wanna die lying in your arms. I wanna go home with you. I wanna be looking in your eyes. I wanna be there for you, sharing in everything you do. I wanna grow old with you. That's you, Ma'am Shai. Thank you, guys.
Okay. May galang shoutout po sa inyo, Kayumangi USA. Hello, hello po. Thank you so much po kami, Kayumangi USA. Oy, Tatsap Stories, hello. May galang shoutout. I'm okay. Thank you so much po kami, Tatsap Stories. And of course, Kayumangi USA, hello. And of course, playing po sa inyo, Sir Von Garland's Black. Playing po sa inyo, idol, sa inyong, bigyan muna natin ng jacket si Kayumangi USA. Thank you so much po kami, guys, ha. And you are free to drop your link po. Maraming maraming salamat. And welcome po dito sa aming galas. That's Up Stories, maraming maraming salamat po. That's Up Stories, and of course, Kayumangi USA. CC, may jacket na po kayo. Maraming maraming salamat. Love, love, love. Alright. Sir Bon, playing po sa inyo, Sir Bon. Indicate na rin po sa inyo. Thank you so much po. Ano ba itong kinakain ni Sir Bon? Chill day with a cold beer. Ay, sana ko wala. Late. May cold beer. Kapi-kapi lang.
Kapi-kapi lang.
Kapi-kapi lang kami, idol. That's Up Stories. Thank you so much. Kayo mag-US. Thank you sa inyo. The rest na tumatambay sa atin. Maraming salamat, Bugang Matet. And Mr. 36 TV, Miss Arlen Lea Dacloy, maraming maraming salamat. Mr. Reg and the rest, guys. Thank you so much po sa inyo. Love and support yan. Oh, yes. And wow, sana all naka-chill with a cold beer. Ikaw talaga, idol, Roy. Buti pa kayo, idol, may pa-cold beer. Kami tiis-tiis na sa kape. Ay, hindi ko nalagyan ng ano. Gallery PSP, thank you so much, Gallery PSP. Nasaan na ba si ano? Saglit, hindi ko nalagyan ako yun. Baka, dinikit ko na sa inyo, idol, na saglit. Balikan ko ulit siya. Hindi niya pala alam na ako yung tumikit sa kanya. Nalagyan natin. Kasi Marie ang gamit ko dito, idol.
Iba yung gamit mo.
Nasaan na ba si Marie dito? Marie. Adlaw gabi, walay ano lay.
Walay P.
Marie. Basta sir, ako yan si Marie ha, sir. Ako yan ha, si Marie. Adlaw gabi, walay tea. Okay, joke lang. Oy. Wala na. Nasaan na ba yung akin dito? Wala na agad yung akin dito. Ay, yung aking ticket. Basti lang talaga si Marie. Marie, where are you, Marie? Okay, baka na lang. Naligaw-ligaw lang. Maraming salamat, Romeo. Thank you so much sa pag-stay mo dyan, Romeo. Ay, kanta pa dali
Kapatid, Sir Boy. Nag-love shoutout.
Sir Boy, Manila Kabay, maraming salamat. Ako kasi lagi kay hindi ako na magkanta kung ang akong microphone nga ni kay hindi okay.
Ay, ako man kag, bukod man okay.
Maayo yung imo. Sir Boy, Manila Kabay, maraming salamat. Papawisan ako. Sir